Encountered an ATY file with no obvious association? This is a placeholder file type used in various software systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these association type placeholder files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated ATY file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. ATY files are association type placeholder files used by various software systems to maintain file type associations or define data type relationships. They typically contain minimal data serving as markers or references rather than substantial content used in Windows file associations or application configurations. ATY files generally use simple text or minimal binary formats containing reference identifiers, association definitions, or placeholder data. The structure depends on the specific software system using them, but is typically lightweight, focusing on reference rather than data storage. For managing ATY files, the best dedicated software is TopEscape from GNA-MC. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows can read and edit text documents with minimal overhead. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the ATY file and choose Open With. Use TopEscape first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If your ATY file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, opening as text. Open the ATY file in Notepad or any text editor to examine its contents. The simple structure typically reveals association references, identifiers, or placeholder information. This examination helps determine the originating application and the file's purpose within its software system. Next, investigating source. Check where the ATY file came from to identify the originating application. Many specialized software systems create these placeholder files for internal use. Determining the source helps in understanding the file's role and whether action is needed regarding the association. Finally, cleaning up. If ATY files appear orphaned without their originating application, they can typically be deleted safely. These placeholder files generally don't contain critical data, and removing them rarely causes problems. However, verify with system documentation before deleting in case they are required. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.